To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E400, 11,000 kilometers, just a dream car. This is the E400, so the E series has got the nice size. It's got the fold-down back seats and a super huge trunk. Underneath in here, we've got a beautiful spare tire, all brand new. Like the rest of the car, it's just incredible condition. So it's got a power trunk closer that you see right there. Nice little built-in spoiler at the back. It's got the AMG appearance package with the chrome bumper and the nice dual exhaust with that nice spoiler that you see there. Backup parking sensors and cameras. And here are the AMG wheels, which look absolutely fabulous. Good looking rubber on them, not lots of tire, lots of brakes, and they've got painted rotors, painted calipers, and that nice 5-star wheel. In the back seat here, we've got a fold-down armrest, super comfortable, heated rear seats, as well as a power blind, and then the seats do fold down. So just fabulous car, great condition, outstanding really. On the front passenger seat, you've got a memory power seat with power adjustable, with adjustable lumbar and side bolster. You've got a little map pocket in the front of the seat here that you can store things in. You've got another glove box in here which houses the books currently, and there's all of your nighttime reading right there. Have a look in the door frames. This is spectacular. What a beautiful car. Unbelievable. Nice burled walnut trim, huge panoramic sunroof front and back. That is ginormous, as you can see from the top. Just a beauty. It's got the here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, cross-drilled rotors, AMG wheels, the nice AMG side skirt that you see there, and then the AMG front bumper with the chrome on it as well, and the nice parking sensors at the front. The big German star up the front. Under the hood, 329 horsepower on a V6 biturbo motor, 354 foot-pounds of torque. This thing flies, just beauty. Have a look at that hood. You get the message. This thing's like brand new. 11,000 kilometers on a 2016. That's incredible. So closing the hood there, you'll see that there's no stone chips to worry about, no issues. When I say no stone chips, I mean nothing that I can see. Not one thing. Cannot see a thing. Have another look there for yourself. Nothing to see. Just a beautiful car. So our other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. The AMG wheel, cross-drilled rotors, painted calipers, lots of rubber on the tires, nice looking side skirts. Same on the back wheel, just awesome as you can see, fabulous condition. Here is the other side of the back. Again, heated seats, fold-down armrest, super comfortable, panoramic sunroof. Wow. Up the front here we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power folding mirrors, driver memory package. Wow, this has got a lot. On the multi-function power seat on the driver's side here, there's no wear to speak of there whatsoever. A nice little glove box again below the seat. We're gonna climb in and just fire this one up. This thing is so clean, so immaculate. It feels like sacrilege just to get in it. It's fabulous. It's got push button start. And there you see it, 11,431 kilometers only. That's awesome. Let's turn the music down so we can see more over here. Here it's got the beautiful analog clock. I'd pull that out and wear it out as a watch. That's gorgeous. It's got the dual zone automatic air conditioning, heated seats, power blind right here. So we push this button and the blind goes down or up, vice versa. Then we've got our factory navigation system right there. We also have media, telephone, radio, etc. All these good things right here. This is all command center right here. So everything's done from this, as you can see up there. So we can slide up and down and change the band and change all of this. Change this to navigation. Beautiful system. So easy to use. In here we've got dual cup holders. It has an ashtray and a cigarette lighter, although they haven't been used. We've got our economy or sport system to set up there. In here we've got dual USB ports right there so that you can plug in. We've got paddle shifters. So we can put it in sport and drive along, have some fun, and shift with these paddles right here. So it goes into M, as you can see there, and then we hit the paddles and it changes. So that's awesome. We've got the cruise control down there, heated steering wheel and tilt and telescopic right there. This is to run our system up here, so I'm just going to show you. We'll zip right over here to driver assist settings, and we'll see that it has blind spot assist, attention assist, and collision prevention, and ESP and assistance graphic. So those are the features on the vehicle right there. If I slide this over here, we can go to settings, telephone, navigation, all of those features right there. Automatic headlamps are right there and easy to use. You've got fog lamps as well. You've got the steerable bi-xenons up there. This is got the blind close right there, so I'll show you that's a power button there, and then we'll just pop that open, and let me give your roof a little lift there and show you that that's working beautifully. No issues, no worries. So everything is looking pretty fabulous. So let's climb out now and show you the outside of the car again. As I'm doing that, have a look here in the door frames. This car, that is incredible. Just a beautiful brand new car. So have a look at those big bi-xenons with the LEDs. That's a great look, isn't it? That's fabulous. There's no marks, no scratches, no dents, no dings. There's nothing to speak of on this car. It is gorgeous. Sounds great. It's got a nice little tune to the exhaust. Again, with that extra horsepower and the Biturbo, really goes. In luxury and comfort, that's how you'll go. So here it is, and available at munromotors.com. This one's a 2016 Mercedes E400. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.